Hello guys, how are you? Anwaz this side guys. I'm really very excited for this webinar. You can't believe how much not prepared for this webinar because this webinar is in my field, guys. Digital marketing, introduction to digital marketing, guys. Before jumping to the webinar, I first like to thank you, ethical learner, to collaborating with me and giving me this wonderful opportunity to interact with such a amazing audience, guys. And thank you so much, ethical learner. And I know it just started, but wait for big amazing announcements, guys. And let's wait for 2-3 more minutes for coming attendees, and then let's start without any delay, guys. How are you guys? Tell me in the comment section or chat section. So guys, let's start this now, guys. Let's start this. So before jumping to the what is digital marketing, like content of agenda of this webinar, first I would like to share one thing, guys. If you are sitting in your home due to lockdown and you stop your learning or gaining experience, guys, you are missing so many things. So don't stop, don't stop your learning. Start learning, and day by day you gain experience by doing that things whatever you learn. And guys, practical knowledge, what I believe in digital marketing, it's a game of execution, guys. If you are not executing anything, or like if you are not executing whatever you are going to learn in this webinar or my upcoming workshops, then your waste this time is waste, totally full of waste. So I'm also focusing on practicing thing, like doing practical things. And I love to share my introduction with you guys. Whenever I share hardcore practitioner in digital marketing field, I really feel proud whenever say this line, guys. So without any delay, let's start this webinar. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys, like this. And here is my presentation, and share it. Okay, yeah, guys, can you confirm this it's visible for you? Okay, okay, let's start this. Like, do this in a full screen. Okay, wait, I don't know why it's taking time. Yeah. So guys, this webinar is all about introduction to digital marketing. This is like just a starting webinar where I'm going to teach you or tell you about how digital marketing growing day by day rapidly, and how digital marketing field acquired by a lot of most of companies acquiring digital marketing. So guys, if like before starting this webinar, I would like to tell you guys, take one pen or paper with you and make notes, guys. Because if you are just going with this webinar without like making notes, then your time is waste. I should suggest you leave this webinar, guys. Okay, so let's start this, guys. This is the introduction of digital marketing webinar. I'm Anuraj Dwivedi. So here is my small brief introduction, guys. I'm going to put this here. Yeah, so here is my small brief introduction, guys. Why introduction is important for like before starting any webinar, guys? Because it's like mandatory thing to know your instructor, whom you are going to spend your few hours, 1 hours. Okay, so it's required to know about me. Lots of people already know about me, but I'm going to again introduce myself with you guys. Guys, my name is Sanraj Dwivedi, and I'm by profession I'm an engineer. and by passion I am a marketer. I love to do practical things, and like I believe in practical things, guys. I really believe in practical things. So I am the founder of Digital Marketing Guider, and I have 2+ years of experience. I started my journey in 2017 by like starting one small business. I don't know where it goes or not, by starting this like one blog on Weebly, like free platform. I'm not go with a paid platform in my initial stage. So I started my journey, and now 2+ years experience I have. In my like initial stage when I started my journey after end of 2017, I already established my one business, which is like I'm getting so much profit from that. The name of business is Needmart. It's an online e-commerce business. Right down, it's a shutdown due to some personal reason, but I'm not giving up, guys. See, if due to some reason your business is shut down, or like some happening things happen, so don't never give up, guys. Never give up. I started my one more business and some affiliate businesses. I'm right now I'm the host of my podcast show, Anurag Dwivedi Show, which is like available on 10 plus different platforms like Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, or as well as Geo7, and like so many platforms. You can check it on Google. Okay, so I am a Google certified digital marketer, guys. I'm a Google certified digital marketer, and I really, before starting this, I'm also telling you this. I'm a hardcore practitioner who loves to learn new things every day and try to execute those things in which I learn every day, guys. This is my favorite line whenever I speak, or doing webinar. I mention this thing, guys, because I feel proud to say, because I'm a hardcore practitioner, guys. I learn every day new things, and I try to implement those things in everyday basis. Then I will share the result with my audience or with my users like you guys. Okay, so if you want to know more about me, then go with this link, digitalmarketingguider.com/about, or here's my this is my university, Anvas Dwivedi University. It's right now under construction, guys. I'm making few premium courses about for you guys. So wait for the next announcement, and let's go for some result. Means why you believe on this. I'm running businesses, I'm hosting my show, and my show, Anurag Dwivedi Show, is top 3 on digital marketing category on Spotify. Why you believe this things? So here is some few proofs, guys. Here is, see this. In the first image, oh sorry, in the first image, I'm searching on Google Anurag Dwivedi Show, and the first page, Google search result, first page, my podcast is trending. Okay, so if you are a little bit know about Google algorithms or Google things, then you are getting my point. But you don't know about anything about Google's or like these things, marketing things, then I'm going to tell you why I mentioned these screenshot. I have lots of a screenshot of my results, but I'm going to show you few because of time limitation and so many things I'm going to share here. So I'm searching Anurag Dwivedi Show on Google, and my podcast show on Google first result page. If your link or website or blog or your podcast showing on Google first page, it means gold mine, guys. You are getting so many traffic. Okay, I have 2K plus listeners on every month basis on my podcast show. And second image is, here is the when I search on Spotify digital marketing podcast, my podcast is number 3, guys. Okay, so in my introduction, I'm talk about digital marketing, like Needmart business. Here is, see, Needmart online shopping site, and you can find my business, but right now it's shut down due to some reason. And here's this, as well as my podcast available on Geo7, guys. It's your favorite platform, Geo7, Apple Podcasts, or Spotify. most of like you are installing these app, already installed this app and you search on right now, just take your phone and search digital marketing podcast and click press like search button. Okay, you can already find my podcast right now. Okay, so these are few results of my hard work and of my practice, but so many results I have to show you in numbers, guys. In numbers, how much money I earned, how much customer I have, how many clients with working with me, like so many things. Okay, so let's start this like free webinar. I hope you believe me, I trust me. Just if you don't have right now trust on me, then just wait for few more minutes. I'm going to like show you the real hard work, what is it. Okay, so like, are you guys excited? Comment in the chat box. I'm going to like, really, I'm very pumped up to throw this webinar free of cost, guys, for you. Okay, so let's come to the next slide. Yeah, what do you think about this poster, guys? Why I add this poster? Guys, I know so many people are making excuses, guys. Like if I suggest you to start your podcast because it's trending now, and most of market shifted on podcast, most of company also shifted on podcast. So you are thinking, you are saying like, Anuraj, hey Anuraj, I don't have mic, I don't have like internet, that much internet connection. Guys, these all are excuses, and that's why I click this picture and paste it here. I'm saying stop making excuses, and Gary Vee says make positivity louder. Guys, both things are related to each other, guys. So never make any excuses, because you are like making with your life, you are doing mistake, you are doing blunder mistake with your life, with your future, guys. Okay, so if you are a marketer and you are passionate about digital marketing, then this webinar is going to work fully for you, guys. Okay, so that's the reason behind posting this picture here, and I hope you got the idea, because we are living in 2021, guys. And right now we are making excuses on, I don't have mic, I don't, you can't believe how I can record. I right now I don't have any mic, I record my podcast with this mic, guys, with this earphone. Okay, so it's not matter, it's doesn't matter कि आपके पास माइक है नहीं है, आप क्या कर रहे हो क्या नहीं कर रहे हो. Okay, so do start, just start whatever you have right now, just start with this. Okay, and after spending 90 days or like 1 year, you will getting result. I'm definitely sure, damn sure about this. If you're doing these things, whatever I'm going to tell you in this this webinar, you will get sure results. Okay, so let's move the next slide. Yeah, what is I'm going to tell you in this webinar? Agenda of this webinar, or you say content of this webinar. So this webinar is all about introduction to digital marketing. So in this webinar, I'm going to share few things with you guys. First is, what is digital marketing? Means digital marketing hoti kya hai, guys? Okay, and second thing, why people are going online? Because everyone shifted online, no one going with like banner ads, pamphlets ads. It's happened, but in like very past years, like 2005, 6 or 2000. Okay, and how digital marketing involves. Okay, second thing is, why digital marketing is future. Guys, amazing question, why digital marketing is future. Or I also add these two, your favorite most asked question in digital marketing field, if you are newbie. Okay, skills required to become digital marketer. Okay, yeah, you are going to learn these things in this free webinar, guys, because so many people are having right now paid for these things, sharing these things, but I'm going to give you free of cost, guys. Okay, and the what does digital marketing consist of? Means digital marketing में आखिर है क्या, types क्या है digital marketing Okay, and 4 reason why should you start start learning digital marketing. Okay, so benefits of digital marketing, so many things I'm going to share in this webinar, guys. So take your notes, pen, and start making notes right now, right away. Okay, so let's move to the first slide. Is what is digital marketing, guys? I just mentioned one like definition here about digital marketing. So first I read it, then I explain it. What is digital marketing in like actual? What is digital marketing? Digital marketing is the use of internet, mobile device, social media, search engines, and other channels to reach customers, consumers. So, guys, what do you understand by this definition? Okay, means in a simple way, if you have any product, any service, or anything which solves like real world problem, not like that much real world problem, solves your customers problem in your niche, and you are promoting those things, those services, those product using any digital channel, like it's social media marketing, it's like mobile marketing, using internet, using search engine, you are promoting your services or your like your product using these channel. This is called digital marketing. That's it, nothing else. What you are doing here, you are like marketing your product, service, whatever you are having with you. Okay, like let's take one example. I have one pen here and I want to sell this pen, I want to promote this pen. So what I'm going to do nowadays, I just use my social media. How I can going to promote this? Click this pen photo and post it on my social media, and like write the description about this and share it on social media, and run ads for getting like getting reach about who is interested in this pen, and that's it. This is called marketing, this is called digital marketing. Okay, I'm going to explain in Hindi again, guys, because I think I want to reach more to more people, because I want to share my knowledge with you guys. So in Hindi, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, अगर आपके पास कोई प्रोडक्ट सर्विस है और आप उसको प्रमोट कर रहे हो किसी डिजिटल चैनल यूज करके, उस प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग कर रहे हो किसी डिजिटल चैनल यूज करके, तो इसी को हम डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कहते हैं, सिंपल वे में गाइस। ओके, इसी को हम डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कहते हैं। तो उस प्रोडक्ट का ऐसा क्या होता है कि अगर आप उस प्रोडक्ट को लाइक बहुत से लोगों के पास रीच करना है, गाइस यू कांट बिलीव, आप क्यों यू यूज करोगे, मैं ये आपको आगे बताऊंगा इसी स्लाइड में, इसी पीपीटीज में। सो ये लाइक डिजिटल मार्केटिंग इसी को कहते हैं, नथिंग बिग थ्योरी, nothing big theory behind digital marketing. What is digital marketing? Okay, I hope you got the point. What is digital marketing? And let's come to the next. Why people are going online, guys? Like first in initial stages like 2000 2001, what people are using for getting news, or like radio. Okay, like old television, but now you have your smartphone with you, just going internet with you, and going type any news channel or any news topic, and you will get millions of result on that. So this is the benefit of going offline to online. Okay, so why people are going online, I have mentioned few points here. For information or a new product, service, location, or like why I mentioned location, guys, because Google provides 4 type of searches. Okay, like local search में आपका location. Okay, तो location, why location? Have you searched on Google hotel nearby me? Okay, so that's why I mentioned location. This search is going on local search on Google. Okay, so if you have any question, then you are using online, going online, searching on Google. If you are looking for help, also you're using your internet online things. And if you want more information on certain individuals or organization, like if you searching on my website like Digital Marketing Guide on Google, you will get first, you will find first on Google search page. And if you're interested in any organization and if you want to find more information about that organization, you are using Google or you going online. Okay, so these are the main reason nowadays for people are going online. Meetings, business contact, general information, new employees, available jobs. So I got one more idea to explain this, guys. If you are searching for, if you are want to know and want to know about which jobs available right now in your field, like you are engineer and you are IT engineer and you're for searching for IT job. So how you can do nowadays without using online? You need to visit that place to place. It's time consuming. It's like it's take so much cost to go. It's travel cost and so many things. So these things reduce online. How? Just go on Google on your smartphone and type jobs in IT sector, like software engineers. You will find millions of results. What happened here? Your time saving, like cost effective, just you are investing for your internet. Okay, so that's the basic and like important reason why people are going online. Okay, I hope you got the point here, and let's come to that. How digital marketing involves. Okay, so guys see this picture. See, पहले क्या था guys, in initial stage we don't have any device or anything to communicate with each other. Then comes radio, फिर then comes like mobile phones. Then right now we have so many things, so many devices to communicate each other. This is the part of digital marketing. Okay guys, we are communicating, I am sharing knowledge, you are gaining knowledge, you are attending this free webinar with using this like whatever platform you are watching. This is called digital marketing, guys. What I do here, I market my knowledge with you guys, I sharing my knowledge with you guys. Okay, this is the digital marketing. How digital marketing go? पहले क्या था guys, पहले हम like अगर किसी को knowledge share करना होता तो first we do चिट्ठी लिखते थे and then we go to post office and post it, and after 7 days 5 days so many days, then you are getting that चिट्ठी and you will like letter and you will learn and फिर आप लिखोगे फिर आप send करोगे. But ये इस टाइम में नहीं है. Now what you do now, take your phone, type your WhatsApp message and click send. It's taking very microsecond to receive from that person where you want to send that message. Okay, so digital marketing, guys, rapidly growing. Okay, so here is the few stacks I'm going to mention here, guys. I mentioned here like how digital marketing is growing. Like you can see, like 1970 first email sent by Robert Christian to himself of 1971 में. 1973 first phone call. Okay, see how digital marketing growing day by day, how technology, how device growing day by day, how companies acquiring digital marketers day by day. Like nowadays I have read one article on Google, like Google also hiring digital marketers. See, big companies right now hiring digital marketer. So if Google's take action on digital marketing things, then it means have some potential on it. That's why Google taking action on it. Okay, so see, right now we have social medias and so many things to distribute knowledge. Like I'm distributing my knowledge, I'm marketing my knowledge through using this device, this laptop or this channel. Okay, so digital marketing is growing day by day. And I promise you guys, next 10 to 20 years, digital marketing is not dead. Okay. Yeah. why digital marketing is the future, guys? This is the main question, most of people asking or searching on Google, like why digital marketing is the future. Guys, see what this picture is going to tell you. Umbrella is a digital marketing, and here is few companies which is consuming digital marketing. Okay, so digital marketing like demand is very high nowadays in market, and in upcoming years digital marketers are expected to complete control over the consumer experience, customer experience. Guys, you can't believe, through digital marketing you read the consumer or your customer mind. You can't believe, you have so many powerful tools in digital marketing which do these works for you, and you can sell your product, promote your product easily. Okay, so and one more fact is Facebook ad. Facebook also using their own ads for promoting their own product. Okay, digital marketing, through digital marketing, why like future? Like let's take one example, guys. Here example is like, if you want to target your customer, if you want to sell this pen on online or offline, how many customer you have to sell this pen in 24 hours? How many customer you reach to sell this pen, show this pen? I think 1,000. This is I know it's very big, but like let's take a very basic 1,000 customer you like reach in a 24 hours through offline. But online you will reach millions of people to show this pen. And if millions of people, 1,000 people going to buy this pen, you will get revenue, you will generate revenue, you will going to sell this pen. Okay, so everything is dominated by digital marketing. One more example, guys, why digital marketing is the future. Like if you want to share your knowledge, okay, if you expert in like digital marketing, and if you want to share your knowledge with others, how you can do offline? How many customer you how many user, how many audience you reach offline? Like at least, like let's take one ratio of this, do some math. If you have thousands of students to share your knowledge on offline, but if you go online, you will get millions of students to share your knowledge. So see the big difference, see the big difference. And that's why companies are shifted to marketing, digital marketing, going to like hiring digital marketer. Recently Spotify launches hiring for digital marketers. You can't believe, guys, day by day everything is going to change. Everything like offline to online, going to offline to online. Right now I'm working with 2 to 3 clients, and like it's like their business is like, before I join their business is nothing, but when I join with them, I do some changes on them, I make a strategy to promote their products, and right now he is very happy with my service, guys. Okay, so see, digital marketing things are very broad term, very broad term. What you need to do, just understand the terminology and methods and techniques and strategies, and you are going to win in digital marketing. Okay, see, now this is the most asked question on Google, guys. When I prepare for this PPT, I search most asked question on digital marketing. So first question is this: skill, which skill is required to become digital marketer? Guys, here is the first skill you need to have with you, guys. Like most of you already have this skill, like English. I don't, it doesn't mean you don't have to be like, you don't have to be William Shakespeare, but yes, your English must be right. Means right means like whatever you speak, whatever you want to say or communicate with your customer, they understand your language, and you also understand their language. Okay, that's it. This is the importance of English. That's it. And how you can grow your English, if you don't have that rich vocabularies things and English speaking thing, so I'm also sharing here's tips. Start working on writing and copywriting skills. Okay, so this is the first skill which you require to become a digital marketer. Okay, second skill, guys, WordPress. Because I forget to mention here the stack of WordPress. Why is important? Guys, 37% of all website hosted on Google using WordPress. Yes, you can't believe 37% websites are using WordPress, which is hosted on Google. And for WordPress, you don't have to be developer. Don't have to be become a developer. You no need to go with more like depth technical things, but you must have understanding analogy of WordPress, how WordPress is working, which function WordPress is having with using whenever we are using. For tips, design your own blog on wordpress.com. wordpress.com is free and wordpress.org is paid. Okay, so design your first blog on wordpress.com and share your link with me on my social media, which I'm going to mention in the last of this webinar. And I'm going to suggest you a few things on it. Okay, it's a free, guys, free. Take advantage, guys. So many people are saying I don't where I go to learn this thing. Guys, you have Google and YouTube to learn anything, guys. How I learn things, I don't do any coaching in my initial stage. I don't like have mentor. Okay, but after learn like intermediate level, then I required one mentor, because mentor is like required, it's mandatory things like for your like journey. I don't say only in digital marketing. If you become a artificial intelligence, you need one mentor. If you become a like army man, if you become a like salesperson, you need mentor. Mentor is required. Okay, but not initial stage. First you learn basic things, and if you say all things are paid, guys, I'm going to like I'm saying you are making excuses. I learned from Google and YouTube, guys. It's the best university in the world. These two platforms, Google and YouTube. Okay, so here is tips. You make your blog on wordpress.com. It's free of course. Make it and send your link on my social media, and I'm going to check it and going to give you some advice or suggestion. And okay, so this is second skill what you need to become a digital marketer. Third skill is you just have like photo editing skills. Photo editing skills. Okay, I don't say you don't have to be a graphics designer. If you are a graphic designer, that's it's okay, it's your plus points in digital marketing journey. And if you don't, it's not at all a problem. But yes, you should understand and analyze how visuals work, because like no one in online world, no one know you in person. Everyone know with your online profiles, everyone know with your pictures, everyone know with your work. Okay, so you should need to understand how analyze how visuals works. And again, one tip for explore start exploring canva.com. It's free, guys. You can create few posts and share with me, and I suggest you which thing is missing and which thing is good. Okay, so no need to become a master in anything. These are the very basic skills, guys. These are the very basic skill you need to have with you if you want to become like a digital marketer. When I started, guys, I relate these things with my journey, because when I started, I don't have these skills with me. I practice daily basis, and I doing daily basis things. I like in a I in right now in my phone I have 10 editors on my phone for editing my marketing pictures, editing, creating my posters, creating my like online things. Okay, so you need to do practice, then you will able to learn these skills very quickly. And I'm guarantee you, if you do practice every day only 1 hour or half an hour, you will get like lots of experience or lots of things, or you are become an expert in these things. This is the third skill which is required to become digital marketer. This is fourth skill, is like data analysis, because digital marketing is the number game. You can't believe, if you can't understand the result, if you can't analyze the result, then your marketing effort is going dead. Okay, how, why I'm saying this, I experiencing these things in my initial stage. I get 1,000 like, and I don't see the stacks or insights on the that ad, and I again run ad, means all money are wasted. First run one ad, it's example, run one ad, see the result, then go with that flow, then you will get definitely results. Okay, so what it means, you need to become a data analyst. I don't have to be like, I don't say you become a satisfied data specialist. No, but yes, you should understand how A/B split testing works. How you can do this? Tips is here. Get Google Analytics integrated with your blog, which you created on Google WordPress.com. Okay, next skill, guys. This is like a most required skill in digital marketing. If you are not passionate about digital marketing, then I'm telling you seriously, guys. I'm telling you, leave this, because if you are not passionate about anything, like मन नहीं लगेगा आपका वहां पे, और जब तक आप उस चीज पे मन नहीं लगाओगे, प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, तब तक वो चीज लाइक you can't win that thing in a simple way. That's why I mentioned, if you are not passionate about digital marketing, this then you can't drive this. Okay, so if you are passionate about digital marketing, then digital marketing is right now very best like choice for your career. Like digital marketing isn't a one time learning thing. In digital marketing, every day, every minute, every second, things are changes, stacks are changes, results are changes, and you need to understand that changes. And tips, learn every day and subscribe to some digital marketing blogs, where you will get like free free knowledge, free updates. So many blogs available on Google. Search digital marketing blogs or search digital marketing forums on Google search, and click press enter, and you will find so many things, and go and subscribe that newsletters, and you will get direct like email updates on your email box. Okay, one more thing, which I really love, practice. Learn by doing, guys. Learn by doing thing is like, it's a formula. I feel it's a formula, guys, which gives you like clear understanding about anything. If you don't know how to use this pen, and you just watch this ad, and without doing practice, how you can learn about this, means कैसे ये पेन खुलेगा, कैसे इस पे इसको हम लिखेंगे, if you don't know about anything about this product, so how you can learn? By doing. just buy this pen and take it and write it this. Then by doing you will learn. And it's easy to learn about various techniques by doing, but the actual learning happens when you put that into practice. And tips: practice everything which I'm going to teach you in my upcoming workshops or in this free webinar. Okay guys? Yeah. uh, what does digital marketing consist of? What types of digital marketings you know? If you know, comment in the in chat box, and I see how many people are already know types of digital marketing and how many types you have you know is correct or wrong. Okay, so let's come to the next slide. Is yeah, here is few things guys. uh, Behind these things, one funnel works. Okay, in everything I'm going to teach you in my upcoming workshop, if you are registered for that workshop, you will get these all things in detail with practical knowledge. Guys, with practical knowledge, it's the main point is here. Okay, why I so many time I telling you guys, I believe in practical things. By doing things you will learn immediately, you will get experience immediately, and you will of course you will face so many errors, so many errors in that process by learning, but you will resolve it and you will learn it and you will gain that experience and you never forgot that thing. Okay, so key component which digital marketing types have, like website design, user experience. In digital marketing, user experience is very important, guys. User experience is very important because if you are designing your blog and one user is coming and he just opening your website and he feel like confusing things available there on your blog, and then he leaves, it means your blog is that much not capable to take that user for few minutes for provide knowledge. How marketing life cycle is working by three pillar. First is value, second is trust, third is your product sale. These three pillar gives you like good marketing results about anything. First, you provide value. Second, build your trust with your audience. And third thing is promote your product. And if customer, if your user, your audience is interested on your product, then you will get sales. Then you will generate revenue. Okay, so first is website design is very important. Second is search engine optimization. Have you ever heard about I already shared my podcast when I search on Google Anurag Dwivedi show, why it's showing on first page? Because I do search engine optimization on my podcast shows. That's why it's showing on first result. Sometime you search after 1 year you search, it's showing on 10th page. Have you ever go on 10th page for searching something? No, never guys. That's why I mentioned this word gold mine. If your product or website or blog showing on Google first result in first 5 results, then you are getting lots of organic traffic. How you can do this? By using search engine optimization, pay per clicks, Google AdWords, Facebook AdWords, pay per click, PPC, social media marketing, SMM. Promote your product through social media. It's called social media marketing. But behind social media marketing, thousands of things working, thousands of things, and which I'm going to show you and tell you and doing by practical and showing by practical doing in my laptop in my workshop. So I suggest you, if you are really passionate about digital marketing and you want to learn advanced things and by doing practical, then enroll for my workshop, register for my workshop. Okay, Fifth thing is email marketing. Guys, one quotation I want to mention here. Uh, if you are not building your list, you are not building your business. That's it, period. All right. Means, I created one podcast on email marketing. It's like 17 plus minute, and there I share so many things about email marketing, how email marketing works, how email funnel works, like how to generate leads, so many things. Like sixth thing is here is display advertising, online ads, Facebook ads, banner ads, Google ads, Amazon ads. You are scrolling one website, forget website. Take example in daily life which you are using Instagram. If you're not, just to take your phone and open your Instagram and go with story. After, I promise you guys, this thing is Instagram algorithm says, and this thing is really working. After 3 story you will get one ad. Okay, open your story and go with consist 3 story, and I promise you after 3 story you will get one ad on a story, or after 5 feed you will get one ad on your feed on Instagram. Yeah, and tell me it's like really working or not, it's like really happening or not with you in your daily life, in chat section. Okay, so my digital marketing dominating things, changing things day by day. And if you are not consistent about things, and if you are not passionate, you can't drive this car. Okay, affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing, guys? I giving you overview about affiliate marketing. If you someone else is like manufacturer about that product, you are promoter about that product, and your consumer, these 3 cycles, when connected to each other, this process called affiliate marketing. Means, in a simple word, you are promoting someone else product to your customer, and if anyone buy any product from you, then you will get some commissions. I have 15 right now. I'm enrolling, or right, I'm working for 15 plus affiliate partners. Okay, I'm working on Amazon in an affiliate program. I'm working on SiteGround. So many things, guys, so many things. And this is the very best way to earn your passive income, generate your passive income. And affiliate marketing have like so many potential. Content marketing gives you exposure, gives you more visibility on online world. Personal branding and search engine marketing, so many things. So these are the key points about key points in digital marketing, which you are going to learn in my workshop. And these all are 1 week to 2 week things. If I'm going to do with practical things, it's take 2 to 3 or 1 month also. Okay, so whenever I'm doing any webinar or any workshop, I try to give like real life practical experience. I want to share practical experience with you. I am not uh, giving you blah 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 things. I'm giving you the practical exact thing which is working or which is not working in my workshops, or in my webinars. Okay, let's come to the next slide. Yeah, here is the few reason, guys. Just 4 reason why should you start learn digital marketing. After going with these PPT slides, you will have the clear knowledge about why digital marketing is important. Because digital marketing is growing rapidly day by day. Okay, so I mentioned just 4 very common reason why should you start learn digital marketing. High demand for digital marketer. I share yeah, I share one thing. Spotify and Google start hiring for digital marketers. It means digital marketing has some potential. That's why these big companies are working on it, hiring digital marketers. Yeah, if you are learn digital marketing, by learning process you already start your business. You are able to start your business. If you already have your business, you promote the existing business through digital marketing, and you reach like millions of customers. Okay, easy to start career. Easy to start career, guys. And the last, not the and the least, not the last, is, guys, like, I love with this thing in digital marketing field is technical and creative field, guys. Here you like in digital marketing field, you can't go with just only doing technical things. You need to be creative. You need to be thinker. Then you will survive in this field. Otherwise, you are dead. You are not getting result. And you are complaining my digital marketing strategies are not working. Why it's working? Why anyone likes your product? Why anyone like go with you? Okay, so you need to be little bit technical and more creative. Okay, here's just 4 basic reasons. I have like 20 plus reasons to share with you guys why you should start learn digital marketing. And I suggest you go with like these two university is very best right now. Not right now, every time is for learning anything, not only digital marketing, Google and YouTube. And start learning right now, right away. Okay, from these two platforms. Yeah, benefits of digital marketing, guys. Like, so many people are at the end asking me this question on in my every webinar or every workshop. If I learn digital marketing, what is the benefit of digital marketing? So the first is puts the consumer in control. Means you have control on your consumer, on your customer. Provide conveniency, increase satisfaction by providing your service, by sharing your product. Drive brand loyalty, means building trust. Reduce the selling cycle through digital marketing. How reduce the selling cycle is, reducing selling cycle is means like, uh, if you want to sell this pen offline, then you need to go for one shop and ask for customer and show them like so many things. But online, you just click photo, write description, post it, and advertise it. That's it. You will get millions of customers. No need to show, no need to go anywhere. Okay, that's why I mentioned reduce the cycle, reduce the cost of sales. Like after going for visiting to any shop, asking for customers, showing this, you like it takes so many energy, so many like cost to do these things. But online, you need to invest only on your advertisement, nothing else, and you will reach millions of customers for this only single products. Okay, build your own brand, which I also mentioned, personal brand. Building your personal brand, searching what is means building personal brand, guys. Just go on Google and search Anuraj Dwivedi, ANURAJ DWIVEDI, and press enter. You will find my things on my whatever I'm doing on Google. It means I build my personal brand. Google algorithms, Google bots searching their database, and they find me. Okay, so do this. These are the all the practical things, guys. By doing, you will learn. Do this right now and share the result, if you find or not, able to find it or not. Provide targeted result, means provide targeted result means, guys, if you are targeting 1,000 customer, and like interested 1,000 customer for this product, you will get 100% result. Means 999 people are going to buy this pen if you are targeting interested people on this pen. And it's easy. to target on them, to them. It's miserable, cost effective, very cost effective. Okay, guys, this is the benefit of digital marketing. And let's come to the next slide. Next slide is, guys, this is all about like introduction to digital marketing. This is all about introduction to digital marketing. Guys, here I am mentioning my social media links, and go and follow me and take one picture with me, guys. Let's do this right now. Yeah, here. Okay, take this one picture with me and post on your social media and tag me, and I'm going to give you free shout outs. Yeah. Okay, I hope you do this. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for doing this. And see, here are my few social media platforms. Go and follow me. This is my website, digitalmarketingguider.com, and this is my podcast link. Or you will also search on Spotify or Geo Sawan Anurag Dwivedi show, or just Anurag Dwivedi. You will find it easily. Okay, my podcast. And don't forget to share your experience, whatever you are learn with this free webinar, in this free webinar. Okay, share your experience on my social media, and I'm going to on your social media, and I'm going to give you free shout out, and I'm going to solve your queries, and I'm going to provide my personal email address to contact with you, guys. If you have any query, doubts, then feel free to mail me at dwivedianurag@gmail.com, or ping me on my social medias with your query. Guys, I'm going to solving your queries, and I'm going to also provide you results. And I also in a one word, I'm going to guide you and going to take you in your destination. I'm going to hold your hand. So if you have any query related digital marketing, feel free to mail me or ping me on my social media. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for attending this free webinar. And I hope I'm able to bring some value through this free webinar. And I'm ready to see you guys. I never seen such amazing audience, guys. And I'm ready to see you on my workshop, guys. It's a 1 week or 2 week workshop. Details going, I did send you, mail you all details related my workshop. It's, if you're interested, just register on that link. Okay, so very soon I'm going to mail you all details. And thank you, Ethical Learner, for giving me such an opportunity and such a audience to interact with. And this is my wonderful experience, guys. This is my wonderful experience to sharing my knowledge with you guys. So I hope I hope if I am able to bring 0.11% value in your life through this free webinar, it means a lot for me. Okay, guys, so I hope I'm just right now stopping this screen. Yeah, so guys, please share your experience, how you feel, what you learn in this free webinar. And if you have any query, mail me or ping me on my social media. If any topic you don't understand, write the topic and ask your query about that topic. I'm going to reply on every mail. Okay, so guys, thank you for this attending this free webinar, and I hope I'm able to bring value. And don't forget to follow me on my social media, and very soon I'm going to share my workshop details through by mail, which you provide for registering this webinar. And thank you so much, guys.